Dreaming of hitting the trails on an electric dirt bike, but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? You're no alone. In this video, we've sifted through the noise to bring you the top 5 beginner-friendly electric dirt bikes that offers the perfect blend of performance, value, and ease of use to get you started safely and confidently. Let's jump in. 5K Carf Inc. And starting off our list at number 5 is a bike that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. And this isn't just a pretty face. The Swedish-made electric dirt bike is a masterclass in blending clean design, high performance, and all-terrain capability with its lightweight yet rugged aluminum frame. The Carf Inc. and tips the scales at around 89 kg, making it light enough to flick around tight trails, but still sturdy enough to handle rough, unpredictable terrain. The electric motor pumps out instant torque, giving you that addictive twist and go. Power that only an electric can deliver. Top speed? Around 56 miles per hour, fast enough to get your adrenaline going, but still manageable once you've got a feel for it. But here's the real trick up its sleeve: versatility. The Carf Inc. and isn't just a dirt shredder, it's also street legal in many places. That means you could ride to the trail, carve up the dirt, and cruise back home, all on the same bike. And with a range of up to 3 hours of mixed riding on a single charge, you've got plenty of playtime before it's time to plug in. Now, I'll be honest, this isn't the cheapest option out there. In fact, with a price tag hovering around the mid-$10,000s, it's the priciest bike on our list. And for an absolute beginner, the performance might feel a bit overwhelming. But if you've got the budget and you want one bike that can handle both city commutes and weekend dirt missions, this is a seriously tempting choice. And the best part? Riding it is virtually silent. No engine noise, no exhaust fumes, just you, the bike, and the sound of the tires ripping through dirt. It's like riding a stealth rocket. And trust me, it's addictive. Now, the Carf Inc. and is amazing if you want that premium hybrid experience. But if you're looking for something smaller, safer, and perfect for young riders, you'll want to stick around for number 4. For Honda Carf E2 at number 4, we're bringing in a name you definitely recognize: Honda. The Honda Carf E2 is their first fully electric dirt bike for kids, and it's making waves for all the right reasons. Unlike some of the smaller, toy-like beginner bikes, the Carf E2 feels like a real motorcycle, just in a smaller, beginner-friendly package. It's powered by a 3.4 horsepower electric motor with 2 selectable ride modes, one that limits the speed for brand new riders, and another that opens it up to a top speed of around 30 miles per hour once they're ready for more. The bike weighs about 108 pounds, which gives it a sturdy, stable feel without being too heavy for young riders. And with a removable 960 watt-hour battery, you get up to 2 hours of riding time and the ability to swap in a spare to keep the fun going. The Carf E2E's build quality is pure Honda. Tough frame, proper suspension, disc brakes, and motocross-inspired styling. It's not a toy, it's a legit dirt bike, just downsized for beginners. That makes it a fantastic choice for kids or smaller teens who want to start their off-road journey on something safe, reliable, and from a brand parents already trust. And once you've mastered the Carf E2, the next bike on our list takes things up another notch with more power, more range, and a lot more thrill. 3. Surin LightBX at number 3. We hit the sweet spot between beginner-friendly and downright thrilling. The Surin LightBX. This bike has earned a cult following, and for good reason. It's the kind of ride that makes you feel like a pro, even if you're still learning the ropes. Let's talk power, because this isn't a maybe someday kind of upgrade. The LightBX packs a 8 kilowatts electric motor that delivers instant torque, letting you blast up hills and out of corners like it's nothing. Top speed around 75 miles per hour, which is plenty to keep things exciting without crossing into uncontrollable territory for newer riders. What makes the LightBX so special for beginners who are ready to level up is its handling. At just 110 pounds, it's light enough to throw around on tight trails, hop over logs, and even hit small jumps. The suspension, a combination of adjustable front forks and a rear shock, soaks up bumps without feeling too soft, which keeps you confident whether you're riding flowy single track or tackling technical terrain. The range is impressive from 40 to 60 miles on a charge, depending on how hard you ride. And when it's time to refuel, the battery is removable, so you can swap in a fresh one and keep riding. That's huge for riders who want to spend more time on the trail and less time waiting. Now, this isn't the bike you start on if you've never touched two wheels before. It's best suited for riders coming from mountain biking, smaller e-bikes, or something like the Q-Berg who are ready for more speed, more range, and more versatility. But once you're at that point, the LightBX feels like a whole new world opens up. Two Segway Dirt MX650 sliding into the number 2 spot is the Segway Dirt MX650, a beginner-friendly electric dirt bike that doesn't just teach you the basics. It grows with you as your skills skyrocket. The first thing you notice about the X160 is how light it feels. At just 105 pounds, it's easy to maneuver for new riders, which means you're not fighting the bike, you're in control from day one. But don't mistake lightweight for light on performance. The X160 packs a 3 kilowatts motor that tops out around 13 miles per hour, making it zippy enough to keep you grinning while still staying beginner safe. The handling is where this bike shines for learners. The suspension is tuned for stability and comfort, soaking up trail chatter without feeling overly stiff or bouncy. Combine that with a lower seat height, and you've got a ride that's confidence-inspiring. Whether you're carving up dirt, berms, or navigating your first rocky climb. Then there's the swappable battery, and this is a game changer. You get about 40 miles of range on a single charge, but instead of waiting for a recharge, you can pop in a spare and keep going. For new riders, that means more practice time and more fun without the frustration of downtime. What makes the X160 stand out is its upgrade potential. As you get better, you can unlock more performance through mods, tires, or even gearing changes. It's the kind of bike you can start with as a total beginner and still enjoy years later when your skills are sharper and your speed is higher. One Razer MX650 topping our list at number 1 is a bike that has introduced more riders to the thrill of dirt than almost any other Razer MX650. It's simple, it's affordable, it's safe, and it's exactly what most beginner riders need to build confidence before moving on to something bigger. The MX650 is powered by a 650-watt electric motor, giving it a top speed of around 17 miles per hour, fast enough to feel exciting, but not so fast that it becomes intimidating. That sweet spot in speed makes it perfect for kids, teens, and even smaller adults who are just getting their dirt legs under them. It's built like a tank. The steel frame is sturdy and surprisingly capable of handling real trail riding. Not just backyard laps. The dual suspension setup and knobby tires provide a stable, forgiving ride, soaking up bumps and keeping the bike planted. Even on uneven terrain, with up to 40 minutes of continuous run time on a charge, it's not built for all-day adventures, but that's kind of the point. Shorter ride sessions keep beginners from overdoing it, and the lower maintenance of the electric system means more riding and less wrenching. And because it's whisper quiet, you can practice in local parks, empty lots, or even big backyards without annoying the neighbors. Here's the real magic of the MX650. It removes the barriers to entry. There's no clutch to learn, no gears to manage, no overwhelming acceleration, just hop on, twist the throttle, and ride. It's the kind of bike that turns those first wobbly minutes into hours of fun. and it sets riders up for a lifetime of dirt biking. So there you have it, 5 electric dirt bikes that are perfect for beginner riders. From kid-friendly trainers to grow-with-you machines, and even street-legal hybrids, there's a bike here for every new rider's style and budget. Which one would you start with? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more electric bike guides, reviews, and tips.